Want to turn heads on Behance? Here's a quick guide to create a standout portfolio. First up, planning and preparation. Define your target audience and select projects that showcase your best work. Develop a consistent visual style and plan your presentation strategy. Next, create a killer profile. Use a professional profile image, write a compelling About Me section, and add your contact info. Personalize your profile with custom buttons and themes. Step 3. Craft your projects with care. Present each project as a standalone case study. Include your creative process, high-quality visuals, and concise descriptions. Organize your projects and keep it concise. Perfect your presentation in Step 4. Use a clean layout, minimal text, and make your contact info easy to find. Update projects regularly and engage with the Behance community. Finally, some additional tips. Use keywords and tags for searchability. Consider Adobe Portfolio and be patient. Building a strong portfolio takes time.